Okay, Lime Rock Park, Formula Ford 1600, just getting ready for the season. This is still week 13, so we're not quite in the season, but I thought a bit of practice. Qualified okay, sort of 8, so mid-pack. We'll see. It's a fast old track in this car. Well, it's a fun track, certainly.
Clear on
Looks
the right.
like I'm a bit cautious there, doesn't it? Blimey. I found there's a lot more grip than I remember racing around here. Found that in practice, and I found it in qualifying, so I'm not sure what's happened. I don't know if they've changed their tyre model as part of the new update, but it definitely feels like there's more grip. So I'm sure times will be quicker than they have been. Oh gosh, nearly made a mess of that, didn't I? So let's keep out of the way.
Stay on the left.
I will have to yield.
The course. You'll have to slow down. And
I will have to slow down.
You're on the left. 3 wide.
3
Stay
wide.
On the left.
Oh my god. This is not working, is it?
There, hold your line.
Let's let him go.
Clear on the right. Car right. Clear.
Okay, let's let him go. We've yielded. We've given up our time. Let's get past these guys.
Left side. 8.178. Still there. Hold your line. Keep to the right.
This is a place that is easy to crash.
Keep
And you're a
to
bit
the right.
ambitious. Okay, I need practice in this class, certainly. Getting beaten up all over the place here. Just outbraked myself, didn't I? Took avoiding action, but...
Car right.
Oh, bloody hell.
Clear
3
on
wide
the
again.
right. There's an incident ahead.
Oh, we're working our way backwards here. This is not what I wanted. But anyway. Can go faster than this. Making the right pigs here with this. I don't know where he's going. He's gone.
Clear on the left.
Okay, let's get after these guys. Let's get some decent lap times together.
59.856.
Lots of revving. So I think I can go okay around here. I've just made a bit of a pig's ear of that opening couple of laps, really. It's only a 12-minute race. We haven't got long. It is ranked, so safety rating does matter. But I'm still going to drop a license, I think, from A to B. There's nothing I can do about that.
There's an incident.
This guy behind's pretty quick, isn't he? Don't go there, mate. I mean, that's not a great place to go, really.
Still there.
He's still gone, though, hasn't he?
Still there. Hold your line. Clear on the right. Clear on the right.
Okay. Not helpful. I'm getting lots of X's here. It's a big crash ahead. Looks like. Something's happened anyway.
Slow car on the left. Car stop on the left. Right.
I think
side,
this guy's
go
pretty
right.
quick, so I'm going to let him go.
7.501. New fast.
He's car number 1 as well, so he's got the highest ranking, I guess. And there's a few people having problems here by the looks of it. Let's see what we can do then. 11th. So we've dropped a few spots.
Go right.
Dear. Well, I was going to say he was the highest ranking, but made a mess of that, hasn't he? Where's this guy going? Number 6. I think I'm going to enjoy this season running these. I like the V's, but they're a bit slow. These, you've got a bit more... You can sort of make up time with driving, you know. You can sort of really throw them around.
7.81. You're in the top 10. Car right.
Like that.
You're in the middle. 3 wide. Clear on the left.
Yeah, well, he wasn't getting stopped, was he? We all went in a bit quick there, I think. Guy in front. I just held it. I thought I was going off. 10th. Well, let's see what we can do. What sort of times are we doing? I haven't been looking. 57.8, so pretty slow, I think. Shouldn't break there, really. 56s is where we need to be. Whether we're going to get there or not, I don't know. So got a good run through there. 56.2. Look at the leader. Bloody hell.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 56.213. 57.639.
We're going to get past this guy. Going a bit quicker now, anyway. He's slow through this section. Going to get a better run. Is it going to be enough?
Car on your left. Still there. Clear.
Yes.
Slow car ahead. Go right.
Okay, pick the right side. That's lucky. Don't normally do that. Normally pick the wrong side when that happens, but anyway. Okay. Still can't go flat out through there. Anyway, we're going a bit quicker.
56.43.
We're 8th. We've got back to where we started. That's a lot of work.
56.161.
No progress, isn't it?
365. That was your fastest lap of the session.
We nearly went off then. Okay, better run this time, hopefully. Don't do it, mate. Okay, he's dropped back a bit. That's good. You want to go after this guy in front. So we're 3 seconds behind. We haven't got long, probably 3 laps to go. So I don't know if we're going to catch them or not. Let's see.
7.584.
Better that time. So, still 3 seconds behind. We're not closing, are we? Slightly better run through there than him behind, anyway. See if we can do better around this bit. It's better. That was better. He's got the slipstream, hasn't he, this guy? Blimey.
55.875. Right side, 56.789. That was your fastest lap of the session. Still there.
Okay. We'll have the slipstream this time. He's made a bit of a mess of that. So we'll get him next time then, shall we? So we're 9th. Let's see, somebody's gone off behind. Looks like. Yeah, I don't know why I'm so slow through that corner.
One, just set the fastest lap. 55.
So we're not as quick as him, were we?
56.961.
These are in the 56s now, anyway. That guy behind's closing in, isn't he? I'm struggling a little bit here. Don't have it, do I? White flag. We just don't have the speed. Oh, someone coming out of the pits. That's going to be interesting.
On the right, 56.6. 5, 8.
Just where we don't want them.
Session.
Is that going to have an influence? Might do. He was sliding through there, wasn't he? I don't think it's going to make any difference, so too far back, I think. Yeah, looks like it.
You got a slow car on the left.
Could be our fastest lap, though. Are we going to get someone else? We might do.
Good job, Roy. Good job.
Yes.
Car on your left. Clear.
Okay, good. Well, that was fun. Where do we end up? 8. All that work.
Checkered flag.
All that work. And where do we end up?
Nice run.
Where we started.
Solid work.
Okay, well, let's call it a day. Okay, let's have a look at the incident sensor. Here's the start. Let's just see what happened. Lots of revs and we're off. So somebody just parked on the grid. That's really helpful, isn't it? I don't know why that happens. Okay, so next then, this is at the, it says me. Yeah, so I go straight on and had to bail out because I didn't want to get hit. But that caused a few little issues, didn't it? Then what's next? Someone hitting the curb, yeah. Oh, and then gets hit from behind. Unlucky. It's a tough little corner, this one. You've got to brake and avoid those curbs like that. Is this the leaders? Is that the leaders? Oh dear. Well, no. I don't know if that was the leaders or not. Difficult to tell. Could have been, yeah. Oh dear, that was unlucky. Hit him as well. Yeah, that must have been the lead pack. Now what's going on? Leaders again, is it? Has that car got damage? Not sure what's going on there. Doesn't look like anything. No. Somebody going off? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was us coming through. He was in front of us, wasn't he? They've just slid off, outbraked themselves. The end of the straight, there's me going through. I nearly followed him off. And then, what's this going to be? Braking on the grass. Yeah, don't hit that curb. Oh, dear. Oh, yeah. Trying to correct and just ended up going for a drive in the country. Oh, dear. And, yeah, this guy's having a lot of trouble, isn't he? Yeah, oh, dear. Oh, just clip the curb. A tiny little clip, but it throws you offline, doesn't it? Unlucky. Same again. Yeah, a little clip. Oh, that was... Yeah. It's the problem with following close behind, isn't it? That can sometimes happen. Unlucky, mate. Oh, dear. Oh, that's not the place to go up the inside. I mean, there's a bit of netcode there, I think. Bit of netcode. And I think that's it. It looks like there's a few afters there, doesn't it? Okay, let's have a look at the results. Okay, well, that was top split then. I managed to get some safety rating. I'm going to drop to a B class. I'm not going to get up above 2 between now and 10 o'clock tonight, I don't think. We've got some I ratings, that was okay. So, God, bloody hell, 55.7. 55.6, that must be with Slipstream, surely. How are they doing that? Blimey. So I managed a 56.5, so 0.8 behind. So 56 is 56 is... So 56.5 is okay, but yeah, I mean, here's a 4.6, 4.4. Yeah, I mean, these are good drivers, aren't they? Yeah, I'm going to have to try a bit harder, I think, if I do this series, but I'm looking forward to it. I think that'll be fun. So if you want to see that, then do please stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, become a member, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.